Bro, let's talk. Look, I know you're not where you want to be. You feel stuck, don't you? You keep scrolling, watching other people succeed, and all it does is make you feel worse. You tell yourself you'll get your life together, but days turn into weeks and nothing changes. That cycle, it's got to stop right now. Let me tell you something. No one is coming to save you. No one is going to magically fix your life for you. If you're not happy with where you are, it's on you to change it. And trust me, you can change it. But you've got to start taking control today, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Here's how you start. Fix your mornings. Stop waking up and scrolling. Get out of bed, drink some water, and move your body. A quick workout or even a 10-minute walk. It sets the tone for the day. Write it down. What do you want to achieve today? Not 10 things, not 5, just 3. 3 goals. Write them down and make sure they actually matter. Cut the distractions. Put your phone away when you're working. Social media, Netflix, whatever. It's stealing your time, and time is something you don't get back. Show up, even if it sucks. You're not always going to feel motivated, and that's okay. Discipline is what gets results. Even if you don't feel like it, just show up and do the work. Half effort is better than no effort. And here's the big one. Stop comparing yourself to everyone else. The only person you need to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Focus on your journey, not theirs. Small, consistent progress beats massive bursts of effort followed by burnout. Bro, I get it. It's not easy. You've got doubts, insecurities, and maybe even regrets. But the truth is, you're capable of so much more than you give yourself credit for. You just have to decide, right here, right now, that enough is enough. Stop wasting time. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Start taking small steps today, and I promise you'll be thanking yourself a month, a year, 5 years from now. Bro, you've got one life. Don't waste it. Get up, get it together, and start building the future you deserve. You've got this. I believe in you, but now it's time for you to believe in yourself.